Write the question number and we have to write the answer. No, we don't
Answer.
have to.
No need to write. Don't waste your time in writing question. Just write. See, there
And we
will
have
be,
to in the notebook.
yes. If you want, you can write it. No, you need to write in the notebook only, because then you don't have a space to, if you can edit the file, you can do it. If you want that way, that is also correct. Whichever is easier for you. Okay. You want to write it in the notebook, but write question number 1, then first part, this answer. If there is A, B, C, D, 4 options are there, then you have to write A option and the number. Suppose 100 is the answer for A option. We will write A 100. Is it clear? If it is a multiple choice question, then you will write like that. Any other question? Okay, Yahya has joined.
Ma'am, can I
Yes.
ask you a question?
Yes, Ibrahim, go on.
Ma'am, in the 10,001 rounding off to nearest 1,000 and 10,000, ma'am,
Yeah.
if the number is bigger than 5, then we have to add a number and we have to write 0 na.
Number bigger than 5 digits.
Yeah. No, not the digit. The in the start it comes na. So suppose in the 1,000 place it is more than 5. So we will add.
If you have to round off to 10,000 place, so which number you will underline 10,000 place and which number you will check thousands place, the next right hand side number. Okay, so today we'll be revising. You will again revise, we'll revise, and then you will understand a better way. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Thank you.
okay, shall we start with the class now? Everyone has joined. Juveria, you are there. Abdullah. No, still people are left. Okay. Okay. The screen is visible to all?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, some of the numbers, see, smallest 8-digit number. Yes, Humaira, can you tell me what is the smallest 8-digit number? You can write it down and find out what is the smallest 8-digit number.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Rashda, correct answer. But you need to tell me the number. How will you?
That was Muhammad Saqib.
This is Muhammad Saqib without name again. So don't use chat because I'm not able to understand who is answering the question. So you can answer it here only. Yeah. Who will answer me? Yes, Muhammad Saqib. What is the smallest 8-digit number?
Ma'am, 100.
In
No, ma'am, not 100. 100000000.
so that is 7 zeros are there. What do you say it in Indian system?
1 crore.
Area?
1 crore.
Yeah, it is 1 crore.
Ma'am, can you tell me? I have come late.
You joined late, Yahya. Did you see my reply? You asked question that you need to write the question or not. I have written, you don't need, all of you have joined. You don't need to write the questions in the answer sheet. You have to just write the answer, but remember to write the question number and its part. Okay. And if it is multiple choice question, yeah.
Ma'am, I was telling that can I write in the paper also?
Yes, you can write it in the paper. I have replied you. You can write it in the paper, click clear picture and hand in. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
can
what
I
you
write in the book and send a
lakh,
picture?
10 lakh crore.
notebook, na? Yes, you can write it in the notebook and send the picture.
Ma'am, answer is 10 crore, na?
Answer is 1 crore.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because it is 8-digit number, so 1 pe you will put 70, Humaira, so it comes out to be 1 crore. Okay. Okay, B part, how many lakhs makes 1 crore? Aisha Aga, please switch on your videos, all of you. Hamdan, Aisha Kazi,
Ma'am,
Aisha
can you
Aga.
take pen and write? Can you take pen and write?
You want to see the answers?
Ma'am,
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
take-
I want to write this.
Okay, smallest 8-digit number, you need to write 7 zeros on it. You put 7 zeros over here. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, how many lakhs is 1 crore? You need to give me the answer. Anas, how many lakhs 1 crore? How I asked you to do this? 1 crore, first you write 1 crore and see how many lakhs are there. Find out the answer. How many lakhs make 1 crore?
1
Juvaira?
crore.
Yeah. Aisha Aga,
1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000.
1 crore. How many
1,
zeros are there in 1 crore? See, here it is written 1 crore. So how many lakhs are there?
Ma'am, 1 million. Ma'am, 1 million and 1 lakh.
Not 7 lakhs. See, how 7 lakhs?
Ma'am, 1 crore
1
and
crore
1
is
million.
there, so 1 will be here, no? So 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and if you take this also, it is 100 lakhs. So 100 lakhs makes 1 crore. Okay, is it clear? How to find out? This is 1 crore. I have written 1 crore. First answer is 1 crore. So 1 crore, how many lakhs? So first write 1 crore and then see how many lakhs are there. 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And this, if you take this also, you will say in terms of lakh, it is 100 lakhs. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, 100 lakhs. Okay, 1 lakh is how many thousand? Now tell me, 1 lakh is how many thousand? For that, what do you need to write? You will write first 1 lakh. 1 lakh means how many zero?
5.
5 zeros.
Yes, correct. 5 zeros. So how many thousands are there? 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay. Do you know how to find out this? We don't say it, but when in fill in the blanks, this type of question is there, you should know how to write. 1 lakh is given, you write down 1 lakh, and how many thousands are there? You just count it. 1, 2, 3, 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and this one if you include, this is 100,000. Can you
Ma'am,
see?
can I ask you something?
See, this is 100,000. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ibrahim.
can I ask?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Ibrahim.
Ma'am, what is the difference between ma'am 1 crore and 1 million is one only?
Yes, 1 crore and 1 million is same.
Ma'am,
But
1
in
crore is
international,
correct.
we tell 1 million and in Indian we
Yes.
tell 1 crore.
Yes, but
Yeah.
the number when
Ma'am.
you are writing it, it is same. Only thing is you have to put you have to put
Comma in the system.
commas
that
in different
international
styles.
three
Ma'am,
and-
only the numbers are not changes, na?
Yes, the number same. The number remain, the digits remain same.
Ma'am,
Only
ma'am,
thing
Oh.
ma'am,
is different.
ma'am.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
didn't
ma'am.
understand the B question.
B question.
Ma'am, 10 million is 1 crore, no, ma'am?
Which question you are asking? B, C,
B.
which one?
B, ma'am, B.
B. So 1 crore is this number. This number is 1 crore. Okay. Abdullah, you are asking?
Can I write it in a notebook? We have to write it in a notebook.
This is for your practice. If you remember, it is fine. Just switch on your videos, everyone. I think everyone has switched off. Why? What happened? Hamza, Batul, Anas. See, how do we do this 8-digit number? 1s, 10s. This is a crore, correct? 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, and then lakh, then 10 lakh, then 100 lakh. How many lakhs they have asked in 1 crore? So 100 lakhs make 1 crore. Is it clear? We don't say it 100
Ma'am.
lakhs, but
Ma'am,
yeah.
look,
लोग कितना
हाँ बोलो. Yeah, Humaira. Yes, Humaira, ask. What were you
Ma'am.
asking?
मैम
लोग
100
कितना बोलते हैं उतना हमको लिख कर उसमें से काउंट करना है ना?
Correct. जितना इधर पे लिखा है, जितना 1 crore लिखा है, बस उसको 1 crore लिखो and then you count. Okay? Is it clear?
Ma'am, can I tell the next answer?
100 hundreds. Now you will write 100 hundreds. So you write this like this. 100 and 100. So that is 2 zeros. So how much is this? How many thousands are there?
10,000.
10,000.
So here
10,000.
it is 10,000. Okay. Hundreds place is in which period? Once period. Correct?
Yes.
Yes,
You know, once period mein ones, tens, 100. 3 things are there. 1,000 more than 3, 9. Now who will do this? 1,000 more than.
Ma'am, I did
Tell
not
me your name.
understand.
One by
Ma'am.
one, tell me your name and then ask the question. Who is asking? Because everyone's video is off. I can't understand who is asking.
Ma'am, I don't understand. I didn't understand the D1.
D1. Who is this? Tell me your name.
Hamdan.
Hamdan. D1. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. 100 hundreds. So 100 you write and hundreds. 100. This is 100 hundreds. Correct? This is 100 100, right? Is this clear? This 100 and 100. 100 means 20. So this is 100 100. So how many thousands are there? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So this is 10,000. Is it clear? So that is why we wrote 10,000.
Ma'am, I did not understand the E1. I did not
E1.
Ma'am, I also.
E1.
Okay, let me show you the yesterday's.
Ma'am, yesterday's I understood, but this
Ah,
I did not.
so this just see here. What is it? Hundreds
Indian
place is in ones period. This is the period. Crores, lakhs, thousands, and ones. So hundreds place, tens place, and ones place comes in ones period. Is it clear? So that is the question asked.
Ma'am,
Which
can you tell
period
it
is that?
again? My internet was gone.
Which question you didn't see? I'm coming back to that question. Okay.
back
Is it clear, Ibrahim, now? Once? Is it clear how it is once period?
No, ma'am. Tell again, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Tell
please
again.
repeat it.
See, crores, lakhs, thousands, ones. These are the periods in Indian system. In ones, you have ones, tens, 100. In thousand, you have 1,000 and 10,000. In lakhs period, you have lakh and 10 lakh. In crores period, you have crores, 10 crores. Okay, is it clear? So these are the periods which is divided. So in ones, you have ones, tens, and 100 as a whole bulk. Is it clear? So
Yeah, ma'am. So how, ma'am, the one period?
So that
100
is why
place-
one. So this is one's period. One's period they are taking, not place. We are talking about period. So this whole, the top line is period. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Where were we? This question. All these done. Okay. We were doing this question. Okay. 1,000 more than 39999. Can you add it? You will add it here. 1,000. What is the answer? Now who will give me the answer? This simple addition.
40000.
Yes. So 4 and how many zeros?
40,000.
Correct. 40,000.
Ma'am, 40,000 कैसे?
See, yes, it is 40,000 na? Add na 1,000. Dekho, I have added over here. 1,000 more means you have to.
Sorry, ma'am. 4999.
Sorry, yeah, correct. I am also wrong. 40,999. Okay, Humaira, you were correct. 8-digit number begins with dash place. This is 40,999. Okay.
10 crores. In Indian system, 10 crores.
In Indian system, 8-digit
1
number.
crore. 1 crore.
I think
1
it should-
crore.
Yeah. Again check it. Top mein I have written smallest 8-digit number. So 8-digit
crore mein.
number
1
begins
crore.
what? 1 crore, na?
And 1 crore.
It is 1 crore. Count it. 1 crore. The number before this thing is what? What is it?
6 crore. नहीं, हाँ, 6,70,900.
Before means
yeah.
1 less.
999.
हाँ, 69,999.
Yes. And after this is how much? Add 1. See, whenever 1 before and 1 after is asked, you have to subtract 1 or add 1. So 9 plus 1 is what? 0. Again 9 plus 1 is 0. 9 plus 1 is 0. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 and 3. Okay, this I'm leaving. There are dash 6 digit 6. Okay, this is leaving. 30. Just do this L part. 37,465 rounded to the nearest 100 is. Now, when you are rounding to nearest 100, Batul, which number I'll underline?
Ma'am.
Which number, Batul? 4. Okay. Which number I'm going to check? 6. So what will be my answer? 6 is greater. So what will be my answer? 3, 7,
375.
and 0 and 0. 2 zeros will be there. Okay. Okay. Next question.
Ma'am, wait.
You don't need to write. You have a recording and everything is there. So you can do it. 3,
Understand
7.
the last question.
Can you please go back 1 minute?
Just a moment. Yes. This last I have left. This you can do on your own. 37465 rounded to the nearest 100 is 37500. Okay, is it clear?
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, the J and K, we are not doing that.
Ma'am.
No, because I'm not giving you pattern question, so I left it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, a request, ma'am, whoever using headphones or earphones, ma'am, please tell them to keep their microphone away from the mouth, because a lot of that is, you see,
If-
my microphone is so far and my voice is clear too, na ma'am.
Haan,
A
it is
request
clear.
to Yahya and Humaira specifically.
Oh, that's bigger.
No, it's fine. It's not disturbing. That is fine. Just mute everyone.
Okay.
Mute yourself. Whenever I ask you question, that time you answer. Okay, moving on, because we have to practice rounding off also. So do it fast. We have to practice rounding off and the decimal rounding off. Okay. 37,465 rounded to the nearest 100 is. Juveria, what is it? Rounding to, just give me direct answer.
Ma'am, can I say I know?
No, let Juveria answer one by one. So many questions are there. All of you can answer. Just see.
Ma'am, the last question was also this only.
3, same answer.
Yes, ma'am. Same question also.
4, same and same question was there, right?
Yes, ma'am. 37,000.
500. Yes, it was same answer.
Yep.
Could you just take book all? Who is there? Okay, one less than smallest 7-digit number. This I'm not asking. Subtract from 10 lakh minus 1 and you will find the answer. Okay. Now greater or smaller? Tell me. 932,961 and 9613.
932,961 is greater than 939.
Yeah, because number of digit is greater. Okay. Difference between the face value and face value of 6 in this number is how much? Abdullah, difference between the face value and face value of 6 in this number. So what is the place
value is
Place value.
and the face value is 6.
So 6, it is 504.
74.
No,
Sorry,
594.
Sorry. 594 is the answer.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, Ma'am, how did you get
in
594?
question N, you
See, 10
forgot.
minus 6, 4, 9, 9, and here it is 5. You are borrowing, correct?
Yes.
So 60 becomes
We have to
59,
minus.
59 comes down as it is. Okay, 100 lakh is also called what? So you have to write 100 lakh. 100 lakh is how much?
Ma'am, 10 million. Ma'am, 10 million.
1 million.
Ma'am, 10 million.
It
1
should
crore,
be
1
in.
crore, 1 crore,
10
1
million.
crore, ma'am. 1
Options
crore,
are over here. See, options are
1
over
crore,
here.
1 crore,
Ma'am,
1
10
crore.
million.
How it is 1 crore? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then 100 lakh. Okay. So how much is it? Ones, tens, 100.
10 million. 10 million.
Count this number: ones, tens, 100, 1000,
Ma'am, it's 10 million.
10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. So answer is 10 million.
Ma'am, 1 crore is also, ma'am.
But 1 crore is not there in the option.
Oh. Oh.
Only had a
Okay.
10 crore.
10
I
million.
thought it was in first
So
person.
options are here. Na? 7-digit number begins with what? How many digits are there? 1, 10, 3, 4, 5,
10 lakh.
6, 7 till here. So it is 10 lakh.
10
Okay.
lakh.
10 lakh.
1 crore is. See, I am tick marking it over here. 1 crore is how many million?
100 million.
100 million.
This is 1 crore, right? So it is how many million?
Ma'am, 10 million.
It should
Ma'am, 10 million.
It is 10 million. Na? See, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore. So how many million is there? This is 10 million.
10 million.
10 million, ma'am.
Okay, 9 in this is in which period? Lakhs, you know the periods now, okay? Once, period is once, then thousands,
Ma'am, it's lakhs, ma'am.
ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it is in lakhs period,
Lakhs
okay?
period.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Period is different and place value is different. 10 million. Okay. So moving
Ma'am?
on to, yes.
Ma'am, you will give options also.
See, all questions will be there. You will have 10 questions with multiple choice, means 4 options will be there. One option you have to, one option will be the correct answer. Some fill in the blanks will be there. Some find out the following, like that will be there. Round off the number. These things will be there.
Options also there.
Option will, some questions you will have options. Okay, not all questions. Some fill in the blanks will be there like this. I'm doing these questions, so this type of questions will be there. Okay, now rounding to nearest 10. Okay, give me fast. 5, 5, 10, 10 questions will do.
Okay.
Just a moment.
90.
Yeah. First one.
50.
First one, Anas. What is the answer? 47 is rounding to nearest 10. It is 50. How you did? You will underline tens place and check the next digit. 7 is greater. 64, Aisha Aga. 64 to tens place. How much is it?
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
You will underline 6. You will check 4. 4 is less than 5. So the previous number remain as it is. Okay. 128. Batul, 128. What will be the answer?
200.
No, nearest 10 we are doing. Nearest 10 means we are
130.
130. Because, see, anybody still has doubt how to solve it, please ask the, yeah, Juveria. Next one, 93. Nearest 10.
90. Ma'am.
Yes, 90. Yeah, 315. Umar, round off to nearest 10. 315.
मैम आप और एक बार ये पढ़ा सकते हो?
ठीक है, मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ राउंडिंग ऑफ. Yeah, Umar, tell me.
Ma'am, the fifth one.
Yes. See, what you have to do, the first step is, Humaira, listen here. whenever the question is asked, round to nearest 10. So if nearest 10 is asked, you will underline the 10 place. ठीक है, underline किया 10 place, and what you will do, you will circle the next number जो right hand side पे है. So now circle the next number. Now next number को you have to check. अगर ये number 5 है या 5 से greater है, तो जो underline number है, it will be increased by 1. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा answer? Because it is 5, my answer will be 320. Is it clear, Humaira?
Yes, ma'am.
और इस क्वेश्चन में you will again tens place को underline करो because we are rounding off to 10. Check 3. 3 is less than 5. So previous number will remain as it is. So 170 will be the answer. Or next digit को you have to replace by 0. Now
Ma'am,
can
the
you
3
do?
get 0 na?
Yes,
Can
the
I
3
tell
will
the
become 0.
next one?
Okay, Muhammadi 908. Round off to nearest 10.
910.
910. Yes, because 0 you will underline, and 8 is greater than 5. So you will increase 0 by 1. Okay. Hamza 209. Round off to 10. What is it? Underline 0, 9, check 9. 9 is greater or less? Who will answer this? Anand?
Ma'am, can I answer? Can I answer?
200.
210.
200. It is
210.
210.
We are rounding off to tens place. 167. So what is the answer? Underline 6. Umar,
170.
170.
170. Underline 6. But next digit is greater than 5.
Ma'am,
So
can
6
I-
will increase karo by
Ma'am,
7.
can I answer next one?
Ma'am,
It's 250.
245.
Ma'am.
Juveria नहीं.
ma'am.
Yeah, Humaira,
Ma'am.
answer 245.
मैम पहले वाला भी आपने वो सिखाए थे, वो भी सेम आंसर है, और नेक्स्ट वाला भी वो भी सेम है आंसर है.
कौन सा वाला?
मैम
Which one?
173 also
हाँ,
same
same.
answer.
Correct, same answer है. It's okay. Okay, 245. Humaira, tell me what is the answer? 245 का. 4 you will underline. 5 equal है. So answer कितना हो जाएगा? 250.
50.
Yes. 373.
370.
373. Hamdan, what will be the answer? You have forgotten rounding 10.
No, ma'am, it will be 3.
It will be 3. It will be 200.
It
It
will
will
be
be
70.
370.
We are doing
I
rounding
am-
to nearest
I
10.
am doing of 12th one.
12th one is 200. Because what will
Ma'am.
happen? 9.
Ma'am, you told that we will do only 10% of all.
But you are not able to, all of you are not able to answer a question. That is why I'm doing it, because this is very simple topic. Now, nearest 100.
Ma'am,
Okay, Mohammed Saqib. 732 to nearest 100. What will be the answer?
700.
700. How you will do? 700 place ko we will underline, and next digit ko we will check. 3
Ma'am.
is less, so 700. Okay,
Ma'am, I want-
569.
Ma'am, will
Yeah.
you do the decimal recap also?
Yes.
Whole number
After
and
this, we are
decimal.
going to do the decimal recap. Let me check the time.
Ma'am, can
Okay,
I say?
10:50. Yes,
Ma'am, can I
569
say?
faster. Yes, Ibrahim, tell me faster.
It is nearest to 100, na?
Yes,
It is 600.
it is.
Ma'am, can I
600.
say, ma'am? Ma'am, can I say?
Can I say
Okay, 306. Who will answer?
300.
Ma'am,
300.
can I say?
300. Yes,
मैम
next.
वही सब डिजिट का ऐसे ही होगा ना 100,000.
Because ये 100 का है, तो you will get those zeros. Because you are underlining 100 place and checking the tens place, Humaira. Okay? Tens
And
का
next
होगा,
one,
तो you
fourth
will
one is
underline
800.
tens place and
Fourth
then
one is
check the next
Fourth one
digit.
is
Yeah.
800. Fourth one
Fourth
is
one is
800.
800.
Ma'am,
You underline 8 this digit and check 1.
Ma'am,
Okay, now
fifth
nearest
ma'am,
One
fifth
is
one is
800.
800. Fifth one is 800.
800.
Now,
Okay.
now
nearest
nearest 1000.
Yeah,
Ma'am.
1, 3. Which digit you are going to underline?
Ma'am,
1.
can I answer?
Yes,
One,
tell
one.
me, what is the answer?
300.
1000. 1000.
1000.
1000 because
1000.
you are doing it 1000 place. Aisha Kazi, next one. 5027. Which digit you will
5000.
underline?
5000. 5000.
5000.
So this is 5000. Okay, 1608. Which digit? 1 you will underline, 6 you will check. Now
2000.
6 is
2000.
greater.
2000.
So answer is 2000.
2000.
Ma'am, why
820.
you are writing on smiley
I'll erase this. 827. Now here 1000
1000.
place.
1000.
Yeah, here 1000 place is
1000.
0. So it becomes 1000 because 8 is greater than 5. Okay? If this is not clear, please ask. 5 you will underline, 9 you will check. 9 is greater. So this will be
6000.
6000.
Ma'am, I did not understand the fourth one.
which one? This one?
No, the fourth one.
1, 2, 3, 4. 827. See, the number is 827. यहाँ पे 1000 place पे क्या है? Nothing is there. That means 0 is there at 1000 place. So underline 1000 place, check 8 place. 8 is greater than 5. So previous number 0 will increase by 1. So your answer will be 1. On rest of the 3 digits will become 0. बाकी के सारे zeros हो जाते हैं because we are doing 1000 का estimation, 1000 ka rounding off. So 1000 is the answer. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. And if it's 0 in 8th place, if it is 4, so everything will become 0.
No, then it will be, if it is 8th place is 0, then this remain as it is. Is it clear? This remain as it is.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
sixth one is 4000. Sixth
Which
one is
one?
4000. Sixth one. Sixth one is 4000. Nearest 1000, ma'am.
Yeah. Who was asking 4-1? Who was asking 4-1?
Juveria.
Yeah, Zuveria. Very good question. See, if this is 4 is there, if suppose you have 0, 4, 3, 5, and you have to round off to nearest 1000, then it becomes 0 only because you don't have, it is not nearer to 1000 also. It is nearer to 0 in place of this thing. Is it clear?
Ma'am, do
Is it
you
clear,
give
Zuveria?
Yes.
ma'am, do you give this type of question?
I'll give these type of questions which are here.
Not this 000 wala.
No, this type of only I'll give. Normal questions. Now we are coming to decimal rounding off.
Ma'am,
Now
I have a full doubt on decimals one.
I am explaining it first and then you have to give me the answer. Okay, I'll explain you doing 1 or 2 questions. Everyone just pay attention. Now, as we do, the question will be, you have to round off decimal to the whole number. Whole number means to the unit place. You should not have a decimal number. Okay. So suppose I have 96.39. So my unit place is, I have to round off to unit place or whole number. So my I
Ma'am,
have
which
to
place we
underline-
have to round? Which place we have to round? It's
it
written
will
what,
be
ma'am?
told nearest whole number, okay, or unit place. So unit place, why I am telling, because after that
what
we
is
have
the
a-
place where 6 is there? Ma'am, unit means after decimal.
unit means ones place.
Ma'am,
Unit place we
what
bolte hain,
is
ones place we bolte hain.
6 is in which place?
6 is in ones place. See?
Yeah.
And then this decimal, after decimal you have different 10th place, 100th place. Okay, is it clear? So this is different. So just remember, this is your ones place, this is your tens place. 9 is at tens place. So now 6 is at ones place. You will check after decimal, the first digit you will check. Okay. Now 3.
Okay, ma'am.
3 is less than 5, correct? So my number will be 6 will remain as it is, and after decimal you have 2 zeros. So my rounding off is only 96 you write, or 96.00. Is it clear?
Ma'am,
After decimal all should be
Ma'am,
zero.
I
One
didn't
by one.
understand. Ma'am, I
One
didn't
by one.
understand.
ma'am,
I did not understand.
if the number after decimal, just after the decimal is greater than 5, so 96 will become 97.
97, correct. 96
And
will
if it
become
is less than 5,
Ma'am,
then
ma'am,
it will be as it is.
same.
But the
ma'am, you taught us very less on decimals.
So we are doing it now. We did many questions. Okay, let us do the next one. Just see.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Yeah, Juveria, saying something?
Ma'am, I did not understand. Ma'am, I did
Yeah.
not understand.
Ma'am,
Let me
38.
explain, then you answer. Abdullah, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me explain next one, then again it will be clear to you. Now what I did, once place you have to underline and you have to check the digit just after the decimal, which is 9. Now 9 is greater than 5. So what will happen to 7? 7 will become 8. Okay. And rest of the digit will be zeros. So you don't need to put, you can put decimal and then 0. So this is the answer.
Ma'am.
The method is exactly same. Is it clear, Ibrahim, now?
How it became 3?
3 is there in the question only.
Yeah.
3 is there in the question.
Ma'am. Ma'am, so we have to write it is compulsory that we have to write the decimal and then 00.
No. It's better if you don't write. If you're writing 38.00, that is also correct. If you don't write, if you just write 38, that is
Ma'am,
correct.
can I answer next one?
Okay.
Okay, now everyone has understood. Can we ask questions now? All of you, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will do this full, ma'am. We will do this full.
Okay, yes, we'll do this full. So do it fast. Yes, Ibrahim, 22.89. What is the answer?
22.8. Ma'am, 2 is, we will underline 2 and then we will check the another number 8. So 8 is greater than 5. So 8 is, so we will add 1. So the answer is
23.
223. 23.00.
That is fine. 23 is also correct. Yes, Juveria, what is the next answer? Yeah, Juveria, ask.
Ma'am, what if
Yeah, can you unmute yourself?
Please, everyone, be quiet. Listen to her question. Yeah.
Ma'am, if they are saying to see 7, so then it will become 7000.
Where? Which question?
The next question after
This one? See, here you have 40. What you will do? You will underline 5. But here 5 is there. So the answer becomes 46.
No, ma'am, if they are telling to see 4, so and not 5.
4? No. Because the question is you have to see the nearest whole number. So nearest whole number means unit place. You have nearest, the smallest whole number will be 1 digit, na?
5 is in the
Correct?
middle. So what
So that is why you have to always check just one's place and underline one's place and check the digit just next to the decimal. Is it clear?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, see
Oh,
na, ma'am.
wait.
45.
Aisha Kazi, what is the answer? 76.28.
76.00. 76.00.
Yes, so 76. Okay. Juveria, now can you answer 45.45? What will be the answer?
45.00.
Yes, 45.00. 31.29. Yeah. 31.29.
30.
No. How 30?
31.
Abdullah, 11.83.
12.
Yes, 12. 12.00. 51.65. Who will answer now? Aisha Aga, 51.65.
Problem. Can you please tell me how to do this one? Decimals to whole number.
Who is asking? Hamdan. Okay, Hamdan, see. Whenever it is asked, round the decimal number to nearest whole number. So you have to underline the ones place and then check the digit just next to the decimal. First digit next to the decimal. Now next to the decimal, the rules are same. 6 is greater than 5. So the previous digit will be increased by 1. So it becomes 52 and rest of the digits will be 0. So after decimal 0. So we don't write zeros after the decimal. So we'll just write 52 or 52.00 is also correct. Okay.
Ma'am,
Aisha, is it clear on that?
Ma'am, can you give me again?
Just a moment. Yes, Aisha, Aga, now can you answer? What will be the answer for the next one? 0 is
50.
there, 9 is there. So answer will be?
51.
It will be 51. Okay. Batul, what is the answer for the next one? 58. Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
Rashta,
can I say
what
the
will be
next
the answer
one?
for 90.36?
Yeah, here is one. Can I tell the next one?
Yes, Rashta, are you there? Muhammad Saqib, what is the answer for the 90.36?
Ma'am, 90.
Yes, 90. Okay.
Ma'am, can I
69.18. Hamza, what is the answer for 69.18? No, not 69. 80.92. What is the answer for 80.92?
Ma'am, Aisha
Muhammad
Aga
Muhammadi,
didn't
what
understand.
is the answer
Ma'am,
for
Aisha
80.92?
Ma'am, Aisha Aga is telling in the chat that she didn't understand.
0.00.
It is 81.00. Yes, Aisha,
Ma'am.
Aga, what happened?
Ma'am, can I tell, please?
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Ma'am, she didn't understand.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell, please?
Okay, let
Ma'am,
me
I
explain
can
them.
understand the digits.
Okay. See, nearest whole number, decimal, when you have to underline, remember and learn this rule. You have to underline ones place because after ones place only the decimal starts.
Ma'am,
Okay?
she's
So-
telling that she can't hear. You can't hear her. Aisha
I
Aga.
can't hear. Who can't hear me?
No, she's telling that she's saying, but you can't hear her.
Okay, yes, I cannot hear. Yes, yes. See, some
Ma'am,
the
maybe
problem
our
is there in
microphone isn't working.
microphone is off. Or increase the
Microphone
volume.
is maybe off or the volume.
No,
Okay,
ma'am,
Aisha, you just listen to me. The class will be
Or-
over. Then see, only 8
You-
minutes are there. So just understand what is it. Humaira and Aisha, listen here. So once place, whenever decimal ko whole number mein you have to round off. So you have to underline ones place and check the digit just after the decimal. After the decimal, what digit is there? 7. Correct? So यहाँ पे 7 is greater or less? Humaira, 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5?
Ma'am, greater than 5.
Greater than 5. तो
Ma'am.
0 में क्या हो जाएगा? 1 add करो. 0 में after if you add
Ma'am.
1, तो point के बाद you have
assessment?
assessment is on Monday, na?
Monday.
11 a.m.
Monday, 11 a.m.
11.
Okay?
Ma'am,
See,
11
now-
to 12.
Time.
Ma'am,
if
now
you have
can
any
I
doubt,
say
you
the
just ask
answer?
11
him
to 12, ma'am.
one by one. Talk one by one because I'm not
Ma'am,
able to hear anything.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of next one?
Yeah, if you have any doubt, you can ask on Google Classroom also. Okay. Okay, next
Okay.
one. Who is answering?
Ma'am, 49.
48.9.
Ma'am, we can do it.
Me.
49. 49.
Yes, yeah. Next one. 85.66.
Ma'am, I can
86.
understand.
86.
Okay, faster. 69.18. Hamza.
69.
23.76. Abdullah.
24.
Let everyone answer. Aisha Kazi, is it clear to you now? 56.5. Who will answer? Slowly.
80. Next one
Okay,
is
Hamdan, 79.17.
79.
Who is telling 80? Answer is 79. And don't shout in chorus. Don't shout in chorus, huh?
51.
What will be the answer over here?
77.
Already a whole number.
41.
57. Aisha Aga is telling she didn't
66.
understand.
66.
Shruti ma'am.
Yeah.
Shruti ma'am. Aisha Aga didn't understand. She's telling in the chat.
But I explained so many times.
I
What
don't
we have
know.
not understood? Underline this, check this. That's all. What you have not understood?
Ma'am,
And
it is
this
so
is
easy.
six-
Decimal is the easiest.
Yes.
The same method we have to follow.
66.
So this is
93.
93. This is 1.
1.
This is 82.
45, 45, 27,
45. 27. 38. 51. 47. 98. 95.
Done?
Why did you stop screen sharing?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you are shouting together. I'm not able to hear any single voice. Okay. Once again, I'm explaining you, Aisha. Who did not understand? Who else did not understand?
Tell her to rejoin.
See,
so
Aisha,
she
what
can,
you have to do,
she can tell
once
her microphone will start working.
started, na? Okay, so those who have not understood the decimal rounding off, listen to me the last time. Once place you have to underline and check the digit just after the decimal. If the digit after the decimal is 5 or greater than 5, then the digit at one's place you will increase by 1 and rest of the digit after decimal will be 0. Okay, so if my number is 21.6, so what will be the answer? 1 I will underline and 6 I will check. 6 is greater than 5. So what happens to 1? It becomes 2. So the answer is 22. 22.00, which is actually 22 only. Understood? Is it clear, Aisha, now? Okay. What is not clear? I can't hear you also. Your mic is off? Yeah, tell me.
Tell her to rejoin. Your microphone isn't working.
Your microphone is
Maybe.
not
Or
working.
her connection
But you
problem.
can hear me, na? Aisha, you can hear me?
Leave the meeting and join again.
Now the time is over. What time is it?
Disconnect your audio.
Okay, disconnect and reconnect. See, then I'll explain once again. Okay, now I'm giving you oral
Disconnect your
questions.
audio.
59.8.
If she has a Bluetooth device, then tell her
she
to.
can listen on YouTube.
Yeah, Mera,
Ma'am,
59.8.
she can listen on YouTube. She can listen on YouTube.
Yeah,
the
you can
recording.
see the recording, beta. Aisha, check the recording, okay? And we have done it earlier also. Yeah, Mera, 59.6 I told, na? 59. What is the answer? Rounding to whole number. 59.6. Yeah, Mera, 6 is greater. So if you increase 9 by 1, what happens to 9?
0.
0, and carryover goes to 5. So it is 60. So the answer is 60. Is it clear? Now clear,
Yes, ma'am.
Humaira? Is
Yes.
it clear to you? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Batul, 25.3.
Ma'am,
What will be
Anas is
the answer?
asking. Ma'am, Anas is asking at Monday we have to join Zoom meeting. Yes, we have to join because our maths exam is there. No flip classes are there. No arts, no exercise.
But you have to not you don't have to join it. You just do it on Google Classroom. You don't need to join it. Is it clear?
You don't, ma'am. You will send the. You will send.
See, I will upload the question paper on Google Classroom. You start doing it, but you have to hand in just after 1 hour, means 12:05. So you have to submit hand in because I would be receiving it, and I will get the message that at this time I have received.
Ma'am,
Don't be late.
question papers all
Nahin,
different.
all of you will get same question paper, but independent question paper will be there. You will answer the sheet and send it to me privately.
Independent means
Means
privately.
Yeah,
Then
you
we
will
have
send
to
it
write question.
privately.
In
Yes?
a question paper, we have to write question.
Question number.
Question number you write, the part you write, and write the answer. Okay. Only
Bye,
question
ma'am.
number.
Bye.
Okay, is it
Ma'am,
clear?
I want to say something.
Yeah. Tell me.
Ma'am, if we don't know how to do that, So we can skip the question also.
Yes, you can skip the question, but try, you can do it, because everything we have done,
No,
so
ma'am,
many
I was
revisions we
just
have done.
asking that. I was
Yeah.
just asking
At
that.
least try. It can be wrong, but you can give a try. Okay, everyone try,
Yes.
and whatever doubt is there till Monday, you can ask me on Google Classroom. Okay, I'll reply you back. Whatever, if you are not understood also, any question you can ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Bye,
Okay, chalo, bye. All the
Bye.
best.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Your
See
session
you.
and the revision was great. Bye, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
bye.
Bye.